Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about number system. Okay, number system used in computers. In day-to-day life, we are using numbers, is it not? And those numbers are decimal number system. Okay, the numbers what we use in our day-to-day life is based on decimal number system. And only one number system we follow in our day-to-day life. So whatever, even amount, cost, date, hours, minutes, anything, no, we are using the numbers, and that number is based on decimal number system. Okay, but here in computers we have, along with decimal number system, other three number systems. Okay, totally there are four number systems used in computers. Okay, so here we will see what are the four. The first one is binary. Okay, the next one decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. Okay, so here we will see what are the digits used to write numbers in all these different number systems. Okay, and in our day-to-day life, because we use only one number system, we need not differentiate. Whatever we write, whatever number we write, it is only based on decimal number system, it is understood. But here we have got different number system. Okay, but in binary, what are the digits I can use to form a binary number? Only zeros and ones. I can use only zeros and ones to write one binary number. Example is 1011. So this is a binary number. Okay. In decimal, I can write digits 0 to 9. I can use digits 0 to 9 to write one decimal number. Okay. For example, 456. Next one is octal. Octal stands for 8. So here I can use the digits 0 to 7. 0 to 7 I can use to write one octal number. Similarly, this 456 can be an octal number also. Next one is hexadecimal. Hexa stands for 6. Decimal stands for 10. So 6 plus 10, 16 digits I can use to write one hexadecimal number. But 16 digits we have numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, digits from 0 to 9 we have. And when we start with 10 to 15, 10 is not one individual digit. 10 is a combination of 1 and 0, which is a number, it is not a digit. So, to use or to write hexadecimal numbers, we are using digits 0 to 9. Along with that, we are using alphabets A to F. Capital A to capital F. So, instead of 10, you will use the alphabet A. Similarly, for 11, it is B and S. For 15, it will be F. So, likewise, we will use 16 digits to frame one hexadecimal number system like A to F. Okay, but here we have got one confusion. The thing is 1011 we call it as a binary number, but this might be an octal number, even it might be a decimal, or even it might be a hexadecimal number, because in all these number systems also we use the digits ones and zeros. So when we have more than one number system, we need to differentiate. That is, we should know very clearly in which number system that particular number is represented. For that, we are supposed to use base. Okay, base, or it is also called as radix. Base or radix we will be using. So what is this base or radix? What is the purpose of it, Abdina? The purpose is to identify in which number system that particular number is written. And because it is named as base, along with the number, it should be written in the bottom line of the actual number. Bottom line, not below the number. Okay, bottom line of the actual number, the base is to be written. And base for binary is 2. Why we tell this base for binary is 2, Abdina? The number of digits used in binary is 2. Ones and 0. 1 and 0 only we can use in binary. So, base of binary number system is 2. And decimal number system, base of decimal number system. In decimal number system, we are using the digits 0 to 9. Up 0 to 9, abdina, totally we have 10 digits. And because we are using 10 digits to write one decimal number, the base of decimal number system is 10. Similarly, in octal, we can use 0 to 7. That is totally 8 digits we are using to write one octal number. So here the base of octal number system is 8. Similarly, hexadecimal அப்படின்னும்போது we have 16 digits. So obviously the base of hexadecimal number system is 16. See, even if I write one base as 16 here, this 456 is not a decimal number, it is a hexadecimal number. This 456 is a number which is represented using hexadecimal. So with the help of base, we can identify in which number system that particular number is written. Okay, that is the main purpose of writing base. Even this 456 might be a hexadecimal number also, because in hexadecimal we are using all these digits. So this base will determine in what number system or in which number system that particular number is represented. Okay, and this is only for manual purpose. Computer will not accept this base. And also while writing programs, okay, while writing programs in Java or C++ or Python, we can use any of this number system we can use. So there we need to represent in a different way. So that we will see when we see about programming. Okay, so this is for today's class, and I have just explained what are the 4 different number system and what is the base of each and every number system and how the base is determined and what is the purpose of base. Okay, thank you.